Our next question in product of vectors. So you have to find I minus 2j plus 3k cross 2i plus j minus k dot j plus k. Whenever you have this dot and cross product like this, directly you can take the determinant. That is, the first one, you can write it as 1 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1, 0 1 1. This plus minus plus, that is 1 into 1 plus 1 minus of minus 2 into 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 2 minus 0. 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 2 minus 0. Yes. So this is 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2, which is 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 12. Similarly, the second one can be written like this: plus minus plus 2 minus 3 1, 1 minus 1 2, 2 1 1. This contains 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus of minus 3 into 1 minus 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. This is 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 1 into 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 minus 9 plus 3. 3 minus 9 is minus 6 minus 6, which is equal to minus 12. So this is how you can do these problems. Let us look at the next problem. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be non-coplanar vectors if A bar plus 2B bar, 2B bar plus C bar, 5C bar plus A bar is equal to lambda into A bar, B bar, C bar. Find lambda. Okay. What is given? Given A bar plus 2B bar, 2B bar plus C bar, 5C bar plus A bar is equal to lambda A bar, B bar, C bar. This can be written as 1 2 0, 0 2 1, 1 0 5 to A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to lambda A bar, B bar, C bar. You are finding the box of this. How to find box of this? The determinant into box ABC will give you box of this. This is plus minus plus 1 into 10 minus 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 into box ABC. Box ABC is 1, or you can keep it as box ABC is lambda box A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is nothing but 10 plus 2 plus 0 into box ABC is equal to lambda into box ABC. This is 12 box ABC lambda box ABC. Therefore lambda is equal to 12 here. Lambda value is 12. That is how we do this problem. Let us look at the next problem. The third problem. Find lambda in order that four points A 3, 2, 1, B 4 lambda 5, C 4 2 minus 2, D 6 minus 5, 6 5 minus 1, be coplanar. Okay, so let us consider AB, AC and AD. Let OA bar is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k. OB bar is equal to 4i plus lambda j plus 5k. OC bar is equal to 4i plus 2j minus 2k. OD bar is equal to 6i plus 5j minus k. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar, that is 4i plus lambda j plus 5k minus OA 3i plus 2j plus k, that is I plus lambda minus 2j plus 5k minus k 4k. Similarly, you have found AB, let us find AC and AD. AC is equal to OC minus OA bar. OC is 4i plus 2j minus 2k minus OA bar 3i plus 2j plus k. So 4i minus 3i is I, 2j minus 2j cancel, minus 2k minus 3k is minus 3k. Next, let us find AD. AD is equal to OD minus OA. OD bar 6i plus 5j minus k minus OA bar. 3i plus 2j plus k. 6i minus 3i, 3i plus 5i minus 2j, 3j minus k minus 2k. Since the points are coplanar, box AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. That is determinant of 1 lambda minus 2 4 1 0 minus 3 3 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 1 into 0 0 plus 9 minus lambda minus 2 into minus 2 plus 9 plus 4 into 3 minus 0 is equal to 0. So this is 9 minus lambda minus 2 into 9 minus 2 7 plus 4 into 3 12 is equal to 0. 9 plus 12 21 minus 7 lambda minus 14 is equal to 0. 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 lambda. 21 minus 14 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7 lambda. You have 9 minus lambda minus 2 into 7 plus 12. So 12 plus 9 is 21 minus 7 lambda plus 14. This will become plus 14. So 21 plus 14 is equal to 7 lambda. 35 is equal to 7 lambda. Lambda is equal to 35 by 7. Lambda is equal to 5. That is how we work out this problem. So that's about finding lambda. Let us work out a problem where we are doing product of vectors. First one, if A bar and B bar are two vectors satisfying modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar is equal to 5 and A bar dot B bar is 45 degrees. Find area of triangle having A bar minus 2B bar and 3A bar plus 2B bar as two of its sides. Here we have area of triangle is equal to half mod A bar minus 2B bar into cross 3A bar plus 2B bar. Call this as 1. Consider, let us first solve the inside part. Consider A bar minus 2B bar cross 3A bar plus 2B bar. This is 3 into A bar cross A bar plus 2 into A bar cross B bar minus 2 into b bar, minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into b bar cross a bar, minus 4 into b bar cross b bar. So this is nothing but 3 into 0 plus 2 into a bar cross b bar plus 6 into a bar cross b bar minus 4 into 0. So that is nothing but 8 into a bar cross b bar. You have a bar cross 8 into a bar cross b bar. So that is half into area of triangle, half into 8 into a bar cross b bar, which is 4 into a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to 4 into modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar sin 45. That is 4 into modulus of a bar 5 into 5 into sin 45, 1 by root 2. So this is nothing but 100 by root 2, 2 into root 2 by root 2. This is 100 root 2 by 2, which is 50 root 2 square units. Here you have to remember that a bar cross a bar is equal to 0 and b bar cross b bar is equal to 0. One more formula that we used is a bar cross b bar is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sine of a bar comma b bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to modulus of a bar to modulus of b bar sine of a bar comma b bar. This is what you have as the cross product. These two you have to remember it like formulas. Let us do the next one. Show that a bar plus b bar dot b bar plus c bar into c bar plus a bar is equal to 2 times ABC. This is what you have to show. Solution: consider a bar plus b bar dot b bar plus c bar into c bar plus a bar. So this can be written as modulus of 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 into box a bar b bar c bar. So this is nothing but 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 1 box a bar b bar c bar. That is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 0 into a bar b bar c bar. So 2 into times box a bar b bar c bar. This is what you get. at the end. Hence proved. Next problem we shall discuss similar to this. A bar is equal to I minus 2j minus 3k. B bar is equal to 2i plus j minus k. C bar is equal to I plus 3j minus 2k. Compute A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Whenever you are given like this, three vectors, dot product and cross product, you have to directly find the determinant. Consider A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar B bar C bar. That is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 1 minus 1, 2 1, 1 3 minus 2, 1 3 minus 2 is plus 1 into minus 2 plus 3 minus of minus 2 into minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 into 6 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1 plus 2 into minus 3 into 6 minus 1 5, so 1 minus 6 minus 15, 1 minus 6 is minus 5 minus 15, that is equal to minus 20. So that's about today's class, children. We shall continue the next part in the next class.